Hi, my name is Queenie Mark Hor Kit. I'm the president of Leeds City College Student Union. My pronoun is she, her. So, I was told not to be too negative about the policy, but I did not attend the conference on my 21st birthday.
Happy birthday!
Still need development. So, there are a lot of feedback from other participants of the workshop. As an FE delegate, I was very disappointed initially that they are not aware that FE organization can be affiliated with NUS, which is why we weren't mentioned in the policy. There are actually a lot of initiatives that universities are implementing, like anonymous reporting system. However, that doesn't work for FE because we have things like safeguarding, which makes it impossible for it to be anonymous. Oh yeah. Some of us think that the policy could be more directive than suggestive. We were all notified that FE will be included in the policy on the day of the workshop, not prior to that. I realized that would mean FE's point of view was not taken into consideration when the policy was drafted. While we all agree that this policy should move forward, a lot of amendment is needed, and I was assured that FE point of view will be included in the policy. Some of the wording in the policy can be more inclusive, like my table delegate agreed that the wording in the policy can be intimidating for male. For example, in this policy it says, to educate students that are men to become uplifting allies, active bystanders, and vocal denouncer of PSH, which stands for Prevention of Sexual Harassment, as they are the main the only word that I can't pronounce in English, of PSH. So many words used can be more inclusive, and not to dismiss that any gender can still be victims of GBV.